Department, Wingham. Please attend to CIBC Bank at 14 Victoria Street East. We have a call from the staff for a carbon monoxide detector going off with no symptoms. There is no one inside. Again, that's 14 Victoria Street East, the CIBC. Attention North Huron Fire Department, Wingham. Please attend to 14 Victoria Street East, the CIBC Bank, cross street of Fairley Lane and Josephine Streets for a carbon monoxide detector going off. No symptoms, no one's inside. Again, that's 14 Victoria Street East. It's January 16th, 2024.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges the page for the Wingham Station. Receive alarm at CIBC. Wingham Station, we're responding shortly.
Roger that. Car 4 acknowledging page 84908.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1, responding to the CIBC Bank on Josephine and Fairley Lane. Delta Bravo plus 4 belted.
Roger that. Engine 1 responding. Delta Bravo plus 4 belted. It's 85350.
Fire dispatch, Tank 9 arriving scene. Delta be command, command will be mobile.
Roger, Tank 9 arriving scene. Delta command and mobile 85524.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show an exterior 360 of the building complete. We also have an entry crew of 2 entering the building on air to investigate.
Roger that. Command 360 complete. 2 entering in on air to investigate. It's 85827.
Command, entry team 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
We have 0 readings at this point. It's not our alarm that we put in. We have one beeping. We're trying to locate it. Sounds like a trouble alarm, not an actual alarm though.
Copy that, entry 1. Not our alarm going off. 0 readings throughout the building and found another old alarm, probably in trouble mode. Entry 1, command.
Go ahead, command, entry 1.
Can you confirm you have 0 readings throughout the entire structure?
That's confirmed. We have 0 readings throughout the structure.
Call command. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
So we do have 0 readings throughout the entire structure. Crew has is trying to locate another alarm, probably in trouble mode that's still connected to the old system.
Roger that. Command 0 readings. Trying to locate another alarm that's possibly troubleshooting. It's 90532.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
Entry crew did discover another hardwired alarm up above a suspended ceiling. In trouble mode, we will be installing another temporary CO detector until the alarm company can rectify the problem.
Roger that. Command, entry discovered another alarm in entry mode until alarm company can come investigate. You'll be on scene. It's 091521.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Future Fire does have temporary alarms installed. Property is being left with the occupants. Command terminated. All units returning to Wingham Station.
Roger that, command. Fire does have temporary alarms installed. Property is being left with staff. Command terminated. All units are clearing. It's 9:24:21.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
You can mark us. Back in hall, back in service. Thank you.
Roger that, tank 9 back at hall and in service. It's 9:31:03.